So hello everybody, and let's continue the real gas. So in last video we have seen what is real gas and the term which will be used in real gas, that is your compressibility factor, and you asked many questions. I answered those questions, okay, and then we have seen the what is the meaning of Z equal to 1, Z greater than 1, Z less than 1, okay. So after this, so when this is confirmed what is real gas, so then obviously the scientist community started working why there is a deviation from ideal behavior, okay. So why a gas deviates from ideal behavior. So in this regarding this theory, many scientists have worked. The main contribution that we have, that is van der Waal, one scientist. Second, we have the Berthelot equation. Then we'll have a virial equation, okay. Berthelot and means the Berthelot has done some modification in the equation of van der Waal, and then we have got the new equation which is more accurate. So that we'll see it separately. But before, so if gas is real, so can we develop, like for ideal gas we have developed the ideal gas equation P equal to nRT. So same, can we develop the equation for real gas, okay. So first of all, if we can answer the question like why a gas deviates from ideal behavior, so if we answer this, then obviously we can do attempt to get the real gas equation. So here the main contribution was of a van der Waal, so that's why we are going to study about his contribution and his theory and his what he said about the real gas. So question, give the heading deviation from the ideal gas. Why there is a deviation from ideal gas? Why there is a deviation from ideal gas? So regarding this, Berthelot started work in 1873, before kinetic theory of gas actually, and with many years of his experimental setup and his theoretical approach, he given his theory in 1978, and for this he got the Nobel Prize also. So what he said, van der Waal. So we are basically going to study about the van der Waal real gas equation. But before starting the real gas equation, first of all we have to understand why there is a deviation from the ideal behavior. So why there is a deviation from ideal behavior. So, and answer of this question lies in the theory of KTG itself. So if you just remember, in KTG, two assumptions, two theories, two postulates were very important. One was the volume occupied by the ideal gas is negligible fraction of the total volume of the container. And second, there is no force of attraction and repulsion between the molecule. So what van der Waal said, this, but so because of these two assumptions, we reach to the conclusion okay, why ideal gas is not ideal, it is behaving, why gas is not behaving ideally, because the volume occupied by the gas molecule is not negligible fraction of the total volume of container, okay. So this was the assumption in the KTG, and because of that assumption only the ideal gas will be deviating from its behavior and it is behaving like a real gas. So please write reason likho, which was designed by the van der Waal. So reason, and which is obvious because KTG has come in 1900. So in 1900 they have given the Maxwell, जो नाम बताया था मैंने, Clausius, Maxwell. So they have given the assumption that means those gases are ideal gas where the volume occupied by the molecule is negligible fraction of the total volume of container, okay. So here, so reason for deviating from ideal behavior. So first reason, volume occupied by the gas molecule is not negligible fraction of total volume of the container. The volume occupied by the gas molecule is not negligible fraction of total volume of the container. This is the first reason. In ideal gas हमने क्या किया था assume? In ideal gas we assume that volume occupied by the gas molecule is negligible fraction of total volume of container. And because of this only the gases are deviating from ideal behavior. So because of ideal behavior, deviation from ideal behavior, so this is one of the reason that volume occupied by the gas molecule is not negligible fraction of total volume of container. Second, जो KTG में क्या था, no force of attraction and repulsion exists between the molecule and with the container wall. But यहाँ पे उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं, there is a definite amount of force of attraction repulsion. There is a definite amount of force of attraction repulsion between the molecules of the gas. So there is a definite amount of force of attraction or repulsion between the gas molecules. So because of these two reasons, the ideal gas deviates and it behaves as a real gas. Because of these two reasons. First reason, the volume. Second is attraction and repulsion. So that's why I said that whenever we are writing out the KTG, you have to pay attention on these two assumptions, these two postulates very carefully. So Van der Waals said that because of these two reasons only, the ideal gas deviates from the real gas. Okay. First reason was for deviation from ideal gases. Volume occupied by the gas molecule is not negligible fraction of total volume of container. Second, there is a definite amount of force of attraction repulsion between the gas molecule or with the container wall. So this is the two. So by taking these two, so Van der Waals worked on these two principle, these two reasons, and he tried to correlate, he tried to develop the equation for the real gas equation, which is also known as Van der Waals gas equation. Okay, so it is basically Van der Waals gas equation, or it is also called Van der Waals gas equation, or it is also called equation for real gas. Equation for real gas. So it is also called this way. Remember it. So this was the first equation which was developed for a real gas. And the basic assumption that he has taken, very logical. And it is average actually. So the equation was like this. What he did, again, in maximum cases you have to directly know the real gas equation or Van der Waals gas equation. But here I will try to explain one of the part. The second part I cannot explain, so that part will take automatically as it is. But the first part will try to explain. What he did, Van der Waals, what was his approach? He said in ideal gas, the volume occupied by the gas molecule is 0 or negligible fraction of total volume of container. So what he said, now since these gas molecules does not have negligible volume, so if we do some volume correction, like for ideal gas, equation is what? Equation is PV is equal to nRT. This is equation for ideal gas. Ideal gas. So what he did some correction in this equation itself. In ideal gas equation itself, he did the correction and he converted this into a real gas equation. And correction in two front. One in terms of volume, second in terms of pressure. So he did this term nRT remains constant, because let it be any type of gas, number of moles we can find, R is a universal gas and T is the temperature in Kelvin. So this is going to remain constant. So Van der Waal, the scientist, he did two correction. He did two correction in the ideal gas equation itself. Again repeating, he did two correction in the ideal gas equation itself. One pressure, correction in pressure, second in correction in volume. So here, because this V is the volume of the container. Okay, this is the pressure which is really exists within the container. So in ideal gas, what we do here, so if I make a container, so in an ideal gas, if we have a gas molecule, okay, and many moles may have the infinite gas molecule. So here what we assume, the volume will be the volume of the container here. Means gas molecule can go from one end to second end, because volume of gas molecule is negligible. This is ideal case. So that's why the volume of container is the volume of the gas. But in reality, what is happening? Again, we have seen in atomic structure itself, that is, every molecule, every atom, let's say atom forms molecule, so every atom has got certain size, and we assume atom to be spherical. So radius, from the Bohr's theory, if you just go, radius is in angstrom. So size of atom, the radius of atom which we assume spherical, and which is very much correct. So the size of atom is spherical in nature, and it has got certain radius, because electrons exist into 3D space in orbital. So that's why the atom is spherical in nature, and every atom has got some radius which is in angstrom. So obviously it is not correct to say that volume occupied by the gas molecule is zero. Volume occupied gas molecule is zero कब होगा? जब radius of the atom will be zero. But we have seen in atomic structure that radius of the atom is not zero. We assume atom to be spherical. So it has got certain radius. It has got certain radius. So that's why, so if I take in a real case, what is going to happen here? If we have a container, the same, this is volume V, this is volume V. So here the gas molecule is spherical in nature. This gas molecule is spherical in nature. So क्या होगा? Just see, this gas molecule will travel, let's say, just assume this gas molecule going to travel from here to here itself. So traveling path कितना है? Just this much distance is the traveling path. Means this gas molecule is not occupying total volume, because gas molecule is spherical, atom is spherical, so when they form molecule is spherical. So gas molecule is not going to travel from one corner to second corner of the vessel, because of its size. When it is going to touch the container wall, the distance traveled will be just this much. And again, when two molecules are coming close to each other, just see, I hope dig that. So it cannot travel this much distance. So this much distance cannot be traveled, because now they are going to touch each other. अभी वो अगर वॉल्यूम जीरो होता तो फिर क्या होता? They could have traveled, volume zero means point mass, तो they could have traveled like this. तो ये भी distance वो travel कर रहा होता. But size of molecule is not negligible, and that's why the ideal gas deviates and it behaves real gas. So Van der Waal, what he did, he assumed कि again जो gas molecule है उसका size negligible नहीं है. Gas molecule size negligible नहीं है. So gas molecule, so let's say if I show you, let's say this is the two molecule, so they are going to touch सो इसका सेंटर कहाँ पे है? सो इफ यू जस्ट सी इट्स सेंटर इज हियर, इट्स सेंटर इज हियर. So they have not traveled this much distance. They have not traveled this much distance. So this much distance is not included in the volume of the ideal gas. Again, यहाँ पे एक बार फिर से मैं डिफाइन कर दूँ. वॉल्यूम ऑफ आइडियल गैस क्या होता है? द टोटल वॉल्यूम इज आइडियल गैस जहाँ से जहाँ तक ट्रैवल कर रहा है. होल वॉल्यूम इज कॉल्ड वॉल्यूम ऑफ आइडियल गैस. जैसे यहाँ पे अगर वॉल्यूम इज नेग्लिजिबल तो means 0, so then ideal gas is going to travel from this corner to this corner, this corner to this corner, this corner to this corner. So every corner, so every volume of that container is traveled by the ideal gas, and volume of ideal gas is said the total space that it is going to cover. The total space it is going to cover is called the volume of the ideal gas. So here, if it is ideal gas, volume is negligible. So the ideal gas is going to travel from this space to this space, this to this, here to here. But if it is a real gas का volume it is not negligible. So क्या होगा? मान लो it is a container volume. So ये सिर्फ जाए तो फिर ये यहाँ पे जाके रुक जाएगा. Let's say it is a wall of container. तो ये molecule यहाँ पे जाके रुक जाएगा. So just see, from center to this much distance has not been traveled. Means अब अगर वही तुम्हारा पॉइंट मास होता तो क्या होता? वो सेंटर यहाँ से यहाँ तक टच होता. लेकिन अगर इसका वॉल्यूम होता 0 तो क्या होता? वो सेंटर यहाँ से यहाँ तक टच हो. लेकिन अभी क्या हुआ है? गैस मॉलिक्यूल यहाँ तक, मतलब उसका जो सेंटर है, सेंटर ऑफ गैस मॉलिक्यूल, वो इससे आगे ट्रैवल नहीं हुआ है. तो दैट मच वॉल्यूम इज नॉट ट्रैवल बाय द गैस मॉलिक्यूल. So how we can include that volume in the ideal gas equation? And that's why they are deviating from ideal gas. Okay. So van der Waal, what he did, इसको एक दो बार सुनना, ठीक है ना? रिपीट करके सुनना इसको कि what is volume of the ideal gas? Volume of the ideal, again repeating, volume of ideal gas meaning the volume, the space in the container which is traveled by the gas molecule. Space in the gas molecules. If in the ideal gas के case में the volume is 0, so ideal gas can travel from one corner to second corner. From whole space it is going to cover. तो जो volume of container है, that will be the volume of the ideal gas. Because whole space is traveled by the ideal gas. Whole space is traveled by the ideal gas. Okay, I hope in KTG also we have done the postulate में, that is KTG में I think वो रह गया है एक पॉइंट कि what is the volume of ideal gas, तो वो लिख लेना, वो रह गया KTG में, तो वो लिखना वहाँ पे. again turn the page, write it there. The volume of ideal gas is the space traveled by the ideal gas. Volume of ideal gas means the space traveled by the ideal gas is called the volume of ideal gas. So in a container, the volume of container is the volume of ideal gas because volume of ideal gas is negligible. But in reality, every molecule has got certain volume, certain spherical shape. So when it is so when this is going to travel here, this is going to travel, so it is not going to travel after this. So यहाँ पे आके रुक गया because ये वॉल्यूम है. अगर ये क्या होता, अगर ये रियल गैस होता तो ये this much distance भी ये ट्रैवल कर रहा होता. यहाँ पे आके रुक गया. इसका सेंटर ऑफ दिस स्फीयर यहाँ पे आके रुक गया, यहाँ पे रुक गया. अगर यही अगर आइडियल गैस होता तो ये यहाँ से यहाँ भी ट्रैवल कर रहा था. तो दिस मच वॉल्यूम इज नॉट ट्रैवल बाय द गैस मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ द कंटेनर. दिस मच वॉल्यूम इज नॉट ट्रैवल द गैस मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ द कंटेनर. अगर ये आइडियल गैस होता तो क्या होता, अगर इट इज़ अ रियल गैस तो यहाँ पे रुक गया, मतलब सेंटर ऑफ दिस मॉलिक्यूल यहाँ पे स्टॉप हो गया. अगर ये आइडियल होता तो दिस मच वॉल्यूम वुड हैव ट्रैवल्ड, तो ये भी वॉल्यूम ऑफ कंटेनर में इंक्लूड होता. ओके, सो दिस इज द वॉल्यूम करेक्शन व्हाट ही डिड. सो व्हाट ही सेड कि लेट्स से अगर मुझे इस आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन को रियल गैस में कन्वर्ट करना है, So I have to do the volume correction, I have to do pressure correction, because force of attraction and repulsion exist, and due to force of attraction and repulsion the pressure will change. What is pressure? Force point area. And V is the total volume, means volume occupied by the gas molecule of the ideal gas molecule, and that is the V is the volume of the container in which the ideal gas molecule is traveling. So if we do the correction in this in V, then we will be able to convert this ideal gas equation for a real gas. So what he did? So he did the first thing, he did the volume correction. So he did volume correction. Volume correction मीनिंग जो आइडियल गैस है वो एग्जैक्टली कितना ट्रैवल कर रहा है, तो जो उसका वॉल्यूम है उससे वो कम ही ट्रैवल कर रहा है, बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स जो रियल गैस है वो कितना ट्रैवल कर रहा है, तो जो वॉल्यूम ऑफ कंटेनर है उससे कम ही वॉल्यूम रियल गैस ट्रैवल कर रहा है. सो हाउ वी कैन राइट V as the total volume of the container for real gas? No, real gas is traveling the lesser volume than the volume of container because of its size. So if I take here, so what he said, अगर हम लोग ऐसा कर ले somehow, अगर मैंने ऐसा कहा कि अगर सारे मॉलिक्यूल्स, जो सारे रियल गैस के मॉलिक्यूल्स है, उन सबको अगर मैंने पकड़ के कंटेनर में मैं लेके आ गया, सबको पकड़ के मैं लेके आ गया एक साथ एक कॉर्नर में, तो ये दिस मच वॉल्यूम, तो ये सारे मॉलिक्यूल जो कि पहले पूरे इसमें ट्रैवल कर रहे थे पूरे कंटेनर में, अभी मैंने सबको पकड़ के मैं एक साथ एक कॉर्नर में लेके आ गया और यहाँ पे सारे मॉलिक्यूल को मैंने एडजस्ट कर दिया. नाउ दिस मच वॉल्यूम विल नॉट बी ट्रेवल्ड बाय द रियल गैस मॉलिक्यूल. तो दिस इज द टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कंटेनर एंड दिस इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल. Because of its size of the real gas, in this volume the total real gas molecules have been arranged. So how much volume these real gas molecules are going to travel? So the volume left, so only this much volume is going to travel by the real gas. So here the volume traveled will be V minus V of the total volume of the molecules, total volume of the molecule. So this is called volume correction. So instead of this V, since it is for an ideal gas where the whole of the molecule was traveling total space of the container, because volume of the ideal gas is 0. But in this case, since volume of the real gas is not 0, so what is the actual volume traveled by the real gas molecule? So that is V minus V molecule. So we have to find how much is the V molecule, how much वॉल्यूम इज नॉट ट्रैवल्ड बाय द रियल गैस मॉलिक्यूल, और वो फाइंड कर लिया मैंने तो अपना काम हो जाता है. सो इट इज कॉल्ड वॉल्यूम करेक्शन. दैट इज V माइनस V ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल्स. तो इट इज कॉल्ड एक्सक्लूडेड वॉल्यूम. सो यहाँ पे इट इज कॉल्ड एक्सक्लूडेड वॉल्यूम of the container which is not traveled by real gas molecules, which is not traveled by the real gas molecule, excluded volume. Okay, so this becomes the total volume of container which will be traveled by real gas molecule. Okay, so this is the difference between these two. Remember it. This is a difference. This is excluded volume. तो रियल गैस का क्या है? रियल गैस का अपना वॉल्यूम है. तो बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स ओन वॉल्यूम, the certain volume of the container cannot be traveled, so that volume should not be included. Why? Because in real gas equation this volume is the space traveled by the ideal gas molecule, and since the volume of ideal gas is zero, मैं बार बार रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, please pay attention. This V here, V is the volume of the container. The space traveled by the real gas, sorry, space traveled by the ideal gas of the container, and since the volume of ideal gas is zero, so that's why the volume of container becomes the volume of the ideal gas which is traveled. But for real gas के केस में क्या हुआ? Real gas has volume is not negligible, so real gas, and we assume it's a spherical, and it is obvious because if you combine all the orbitals having electron, it will look spherical, and that we have seen in our atomic structure. So the real gas has got certain volume, so the real gas molecule is not going to travel certain volume of the container. So how much volume it is going to travel? So if you put that volume here, so we have converted this equation which was for the ideal gas for a real gas. So that we are doing by heading volume correction. So how much volume is not traveled? So that is the next question. So here we are going to do some statistical approach. Statistical means average approach. देखो यहाँ पे this molecule is going to travel from here to here, so only this much distance is the center is going to travel from here to here, so only this much distance it is going to travel. So ये जो volume दिख रहा है, this volume is excluded. Okay, again here also this much volume is excluded. इसको मैं थोड़ा सा enlarge में करता हूँ. So it's a simple mathematics and we are doing average calculation. Remember it. We are doing average calculation. So here, so if I enlarge this is तो two molecules. हर एक का radius r है. Same radius. Okay. So two molecules. So how much volume will not be traveled by this? So again just see, center यहाँ से यहाँ तक आ नहीं सकता, तो this is the distance 2r, and ऐसे सारे molecules यहाँ पे आ सकते हैं. Just see, इसको मैं हटाता हूँ, ऐसे just see यहाँ पे. तो if you make a sphere like this, sphere of 2r, मैंने सिर्फ दो मॉलिक्यूल लिया, यहाँ पे कितने मॉलिक्यूल्स है? इनफिनिट. सो वी आर डूइंग एवरेज कैलकुलेशन. तो यहाँ पे जस्ट सी कि दो मॉलिक्यूल में दिस मच मीन्स 2r डिस्टेंस. सो इफ आई मेक अ स्फीयर ऑफ 2r, सो दिस मच वॉल्यूम, because two molecules are going to touch, maximum they will touch. So between center to center, how much is the distance? For both molecule, radius is r. So from center to center, distance is 2r. So ये मॉलिक्यूल यहाँ से भी आ सकता है, ये मॉलिक्यूल यहाँ से भी आ सकता है. लेट्स से अगर मैंने ऐसे किया तो ये सेंटर हो गया, तुमने इसको ऐसे किया तो ये हो गया सेंटर लाइक दिस. तो मीनिंग थोड़ा सा फिगर सही से कर लेना, ठीक है. तो these two molecules means दो मॉलिक्यूल के बीच में this much volume will not be traveled by the molecules. By the two molecule, this much volume will be excluded volume. इसको मैं हटाता हूँ. I hope मैं फिर से मैं ड्रॉ करता हूँ, because बार बार करोगे तो समझेगा. Okay, so between two molecule when they are going to touch. Okay, so from center to center, how much is the distance? So from center to center, distance is 2r. So here ये मॉलिक्यूल यहाँ से आ सकता है, यहाँ से आ सकता है, यहाँ से from all side. So I can make here ये मॉलिक्यूल यहाँ से आ सकता है, यहाँ से because molecules again gas molecule का velocity zero कब होता है? at 0 Kelvin. अगर टेम्परेचर थोड़ा भी है तो गैस मॉलिक्यूल इज गोइंग टू हैव सर्टेन वेलोसिटी. तो अगर गैस मॉलिक्यूल वेलोसिटी है तो दे आर गोइंग टू मूव इन द कंटेनर. मूव होगा तो ये जाके तो यहाँ तक आके रुक जाएगा. तो सेकेंड मॉलिक्यूल ऐसे, तो दिस वे आई एम डूइंग द एवरेज कि अगर लेट से दो मॉलिक्यूल के बीच में कितना वॉल्यूम एक्सक्लूड हो सकता है. तो फ्रॉम दिस सेंटर टू दिस सेंटर द डिस्टेंस इज 2r. सो टोटल spherical volume of 2r will be excluded between the two molecules on an average basis. On the average basis between two molecules, the spherical volume of 2r will be excluded. Okay, spherical volume of 2r will be excluded. Just see. So if I make this, the spherical volume of 2r will be excluded here. I am not looking here because if I take this, so here, so just see. So if I write volume excluded for two molecules, okay, क्या हो जाएगा? तो 4/3 pi 2r cube. Just see. 4/3 pi 2r cube, because we have taken this container contains infinite molecule. उसमें से दो मॉलिक्यूल मैंने लिया, तो दो मॉलिक्यूल के बीच में कितना हुआ वो मैं निकाल रहा हूँ. वो मॉलिक्यूल यहाँ भी, और अगेन ये अगर ये मैंने ले लिया तो ये कंटेनर वॉल के साथ भी r मिलके 2r हो जाता है अपना. तो द वॉल्यूम, सो दिस बिकम्स एवरेज कि अगर एक साथ इस मॉलिक्यूल के, एक मॉलिक्यूल के आसपास बहुत सारे दूसरे मॉलिक्यूल आ गए तो कितना वॉल्यूम ट्रेवल नहीं होगा. तो जस्ट सी, सो दिस मच वॉल्यूम, दिस मच डिस्टेंस विल नॉट बी ट्रेवल, एंड सिंस इन अ स्पेस, तो इन अ स्पेस 2r रेडियस का वॉल्यूम एक्सक्लूड होगा, उतना वॉल्यूम दो मॉलिक्यूल ट्रेवल नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो दैट विल बी द एक्सक्लूडेड वॉल्यूम, दैट विल बी द एक्सक्लूडेड वॉल्यूम. Okay, so that will be the excluded volume. So volume excluded for two molecule is this. So ये कितना हो गया, इसको मैं हटाता हूँ, सबने किया हुआ ड्रॉ. So this is 832 pi r cube by 3. So volume excluded per molecule क्या हो जाएगा? So that is 16 pi r cube by 3. 16. So volume excluded per molecule. Okay, ये मैं हटा देता हूँ, ये तुम सबने ड्रॉ किया होगा. So here, so this becomes 4 into 4/3 pi r cube. Just see, मतलब volume excluded per molecule is 4 times into the volume of one molecule. So volume excluded per molecule is this. मतलब जो एक वॉल्यूम, एक मॉलिक्यूल का जो वॉल्यूम है उसका 4 टाइम्स इज द वॉल्यूम एक्सक्लूडेड. सो पर मोल क्या हो जाएगा? सो जस्ट सी, तो वॉल्यूम एक्सक्लूडेड पर वॉल्यूम एक्सक्लूडेड फॉर Na मॉलिक्यूल्स क्या हो जाएगा? तो 4 into volume of one molecule into Na, volume of one molecule into Na. Just see. So this volume of one molecule into Na, this is basically called B. B is again, sorry, this whole value is known as B. So volume excluded for Na molecules. Na means 1 mole. So volume excluded for n moles of molecule क्या हो जाएगा? So that is n into B, because in gaseous state we deal with number of moles. So just see, we have written like this. दो बार, एटलीस्ट 2 से 3 बार रिपीट करके देखना, ठीक है? नहीं तो क्या हो गया? So after this, so if I just write what is B, तो B का B हो गया तुम्हारा 4 into Na into 4/3 pi r cube, where r is the radius of the one molecule, Na is the Avogadro number 4. ये फॉर्मूला ध्यान में रखना है. मैं फिर से एक बार आता हूँ क्विकली. ओके, मैं फिर से आता हूँ, रिपीट करके देखो, मैं फिर से आता हूँ. सो लिखा सबने, पॉज करके लिख लो. सो हियर on an average basis, since again it's an infinite molecule, we cannot find exactly, but can we do some average calculation? So yes, जैसे यहाँ पे दो मॉलिक्यूल, अपना हम लोगों ने क्या किया, अपना बेसिक अप्रोच क्या था कि इन दिस आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन V इज व्हाट, V इज द वॉल्यूम traveled by the ideal gas molecule. That was V. Volume traveled by the ideal gas molecule. Okay. So V was the volume traveled by the ideal gas molecule. Very true. Volume of ideal gas is 0. So the volume of container is the total volume traveled by the ideal gas. But in real gas क्या change हो गया? तो in real gas the volume of real gas is not 0. So this V we cannot write for real gas because the real gas is not going to travel whole of the volume of the container. The real gas is not going to travel the whole of the volume of container. So how much it is going to travel? So the total volume which is not getting traveled, that fine, and if you subtract this from the volume of container, so that will be the net volume traveled by the real gas. तो वही मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा था V minus V molecules की what is the total excluded volume because of the molecules. It is molecule means volume of molecule नहीं, it is excluded volume of the molecule. So if we find कि how much volume which cannot be traveled by the real gas molecule, और वो find किया तो अगर volume of container में से अगर वो volume मैंने subtract किया तो that volume will be the volume traveled by the gas, जो हम लोग यहाँ पे रख सकते हैं हम लोग, and that is known as pressure correction. तो on एवरेज बेसिस मैंने फाइंड किया कि अगर दो मॉलिक्यूल एक साथ आ रहे हैं, if two molecules are coming close, तो ये इससे ज़्यादा क्लोज आ नहीं सकते, मतलब means from center to center here this distance is 2r, it cannot travel more than 2r. So 2r distance will not be traveled and it's the molecule is basically 3D. So ऐसा 2r पूरे space में ऐसा 2r होगा. So how much the total volume which can be excluded between two molecules? So that we have written. So 4/3 pi radius is 2r cube because this much radius will not be traveled by the two molecule. And ये किधर से भी आ सकता है? I think इधर से भी आ सकता है, कहीं से भी आ सकता है. So this we have found. So this is the excluded volume between two molecules. So this is excluded volume between two molecules. तो इसी को मैंने किया per molecule फिर per Na. तो यहाँ से आता है तो excluded volume for n moles of real gas molecule. क्या हो जाएगा? तो that is 4 means Na or let's say n into 4 into Na into 4/3 pi r cube. This value is called B. N into B. B is called excluded volume per mole. N is the number of mole. तो ये हो गया. तो वॉल्यूम करेक्शन क्या हो गया? तो वॉल्यूम करेक्शन becomes V minus NB. This becomes the volume correction. Means this much volume will be traveled by the real gas. देखना मैंने इसके साथ नहीं लिया because R मिलके 2R हो जाएगा, तो इसी में सब कुछ इंक्लूड हो जाएगा, जैसे इसी वॉल्यूम में सब कुछ इंक्लूड हो जाएगा. एंड दिस इज एवरेज बेसिस एंड दिस इज अप्रोक्सीमेट कैलकुलेशन, नॉट एग्जैक्ट बिकॉज n नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं, हम लोग एग्जैक्टली देख नहीं सकते, लेकिन वो जो मॉलिक्यूल उनको देख भी नहीं सकते, तो उसमें हम लोग वॉल्यूम करेक्शन कैसे निकालेंगे? तो इट्स अ एवरेज अप्रोच. सो ये याद रखना है, B का वैल्यू 4Na, दिस B इज एक्सक्लूडेड वॉल्यूम पर मोल फॉर अ रियल गैस. तो अगेन B को लिख लेना सब, B इज एक्सक्लूडेड वॉल्यूम पर मोल. Okay, so this is volume correction, very important. This is volume correction and very important. In next video we'll go for the pressure correction, but in pressure correction we are not getting into much detail because it's not, we cannot do that, okay, right now. So that will take, but I'll try to define something. So we'll do in the next video. So just see. So This is actual volume. V volume correction इसको लिख दो actual V actual volume. Okay, this is all about. Thank you.